And then a nice little waterfall. This comes down. You get a little waterfall. And then there's Dan.
Did you give him a corner stretch?
No.
Okay, good. But you got the video of me saying it.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Here, Dan, let me get down, get a good cinematic shot of it.
Oh, yeah. What'd you say?
Wow. Nature. And there's the big river.
Yo, it's gonna be such a cool time.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's run over there. I can make it all in one video, probably. Watch for the cacti, though.
Oh, yeah.
Those prickly pears are pricks. They'll prick you. They really will. It's a very pretty area. Moroni's great. And the fishing over here. Spectacular. The hunting. Public lands. Good spot. Yep. Oh, look, another waterfall, yeah? Bunch of little mini waterfalls. Yeah. And I think they call this... Oh, that must be the Fingers Bay over there.
There's a piece of wood out there.
Oh, yeah. The dams have a lot of that.
That might be a rock. But it almost looks like it's floating towards us.
Pretty area. Look at that little geological thing. I'm only at 1:42. Well, oh, nice. That looks way cooler over here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that little guy. It's just a baby waterfall. Yeah. That looks nice, though. That's sweet. Okay. Okay, a little closer up, and that's actually like, that's pretty sweet right there. It goes all the way down. Yeah.
Well, that 3, 2, 1 messed me up for a second.
Yep. Yeah. Waterfall.